Alam mo, hindi naman overnight yung success. 'Di ba? Hindi po overnight yung success, Miranda. Ang success po ay long term. Bilog ang mundo eh, no? Yung mga taong nasa ilalim pag nagsikap ka, sabi mo ng year 2000, nagsikap, inaral mo yung World Wide Web. 2010, malaki na pinagbago ng buhay mo. We tend to underestimate, what can 10 years do to us. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Nasaan ka noong 10 years ago? Anong ginagawa mo? Nagbago ba buhay mo? Did you do something 10 years ago that's adding value to your life right now? I can tell you, yes, I did something 10 years ago. Yung hindi ko alam na magbibigay sa akin ng abundance, which is obviously trading through mentoring and coaching. Before, sabi ko, aralin ko to, mayabang ako eh. Aralin ko to, kailangan magturuan mag-trade. Mali ko maging YouTuber ako. Diba? Mali ko matutulungan ko yung maraming tao. The things we're doing now are going to make up your DNA over the next couple of years. The things that you're doing now, Miranda, is going to become who you are. So kung puro ka lakwatsa, puro ka, wala ka namang kinikilala, okay lang maglakwatsa, but if it's gonna be for networking, getting to know more people, okay lang yun. Diba? Pero ang tanong,